Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Dimpy. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning back into this video or into my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I do have an SLG in here and I'm going to be honest, I actually bought this one before the prices went up last month. So I haven't really used this piece. I haven't unboxed it yet. And I guess we're going to unbox it together. And after the unboxing, I'm going to tell you how much I paid for it because I think the prices for this has gone up now. I can't remember exactly how much it has gone up by, but I'll check and I'll let you know exactly how much it has gone up. But before we get into it, let's just get on to unboxing this beautiful SLG. All right, here we go. I just turned the camera around just for the purposes of better viewing. So here we are. This is my receipt. I'm gonna look at it and tell you the price in just a second. But this is the piece, and I guess you guys can already probably guess that it is a card holder, and it is a card holder. But which one it is? That is this one right over here. So this is the reverse monogram card holder. So it's reverse on this side, and then we have monogram on this side. And I got this one especially to match my Pochette Metis. I'll show you the bag in just a second after I finish showing you the card holder up close. So it's got 3 card slots essentially. So we've got one over here, and then one on the back side, and then in the middle there is also another one. So these are kind of the cards and stuff like that that comes with it. And actually there's a price on here too. So if you guys can see, I did pay $220. I think now I can't remember exactly how much it is now, but I think this one has definitely gone up. And yeah, just excuse my nails, they have grown. I need to like really fix it, but this is basically the cards that come with it. And if you guys are wondering where mine was made, the made in stamp is on the inside, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but mine is, okay, wait a second, I'll do this. Okay, hopefully you guys can see it, but if you can't, know that mine is made in France. And I honestly didn't try to get made in France. I just happened to get lucky and got this one made in France, which I am super duper happy about. So here is my Pochette Metis. As you guys can see, it is in the reverse monogram canvas, and I picked this card holder in this print mainly just to kind of, you know, match it up with this bag. I think they just look super cute together, and I think this is perfect because you can really slide it in the back pocket of Pochette Metis. Let me actually show you from the inside. So here is what it looks like on the inside. I do have my dust bag in here, but I think this card holder is perfect because then I can easily just slide it in the back if I want to, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's in the back pocket there. I think this card holder will be perfect because it will go in this back pocket as well, just like that. And it's nice, it's matchy, and it makes me super duper happy because one side it's monogram and the other is reverse. And yeah, I'm just super duper excited to have a matching card holder with a bag because I have never really matched an SLG with a bag. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm really excited to start using this. And yeah, that really does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It would really mean the world to me if you would consider subscribing and staying connected with me and supporting me all the way. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Bye!